Aloha! If you're visiting the island of Kauai and want to stay at or see one of the top-rated beaches in America and also see a crowd of people, look no further than Poipu. This spot was once a Hawaiian settlement converted to plantation town and has now converted to a big resort. There are tons of shops and places to eat right by the beach. This area is known as the sunny south side because of the ideal weather and ocean conditions. This beach is great for swimming and snorkeling because it's partially blocked off by rocks and the waves are gentle. One of the coolest things about this beach are the frequent green sea turtles resting or monk seals that call this place home. I felt bad for these turtles with how many people there were staring at them during the holiday weekend, but was surprised they still stayed. So please give them their space so they'll want to keep coming back. The sand has that perfect golden sunset color. At Poipu Park, they've got everything from tables, pavilions, restrooms, and even a playground. Just across the street are a bunch of good restaurants. On the east side is Brennecke Beach, that's known for its crashing waves, which is what Poipu means in Hawaiian, so it's great for boogie boarding. Just adjacent to Poipu Beach is Kiahuna Beach, which is great for surfing and paddleboarding. There are tons of hotels and Airbnbs nearby and a huge grass area for that perfect vacation relaxation. Thanks again guys for tuning in to another episode. Mahalo for watching and stay tuned for more beaches.